Welcome to the Easy Timber How to Install a Raised Bed video. Installing a raised bed with Easy Sleepers is easy when you know how, based on creating a 1.2 metre by 2.4 metre raised bed. Quantities can be adjusted to fit the size you need for your project. Make sure you've got the right tools for the job. You will need a tape measure, spirit level, string, end seal preservative, brush, a saw, drill, 150mm coach bolts, geotextile membrane, one 75mm by 75mm by 2.4 metre easy post 15 fence post, cut to 400mm lengths and applied with end seal, 3 100mm by 200mm by 2.4 metre sleepers, mulch, soil, and of course a mug of tea. Before you get started, clear the area by removing any vegetation and level out. You can use string to mark out where the bed will go. The basic construction is a box shape with an open bottom to allow for draining. To protect against roots and weeds, you need to line the base of your Easy Sleeper raised bed with a large piece of geotextile membrane. Using the string as a guide, place the first row of sleepers onto the ground to make the rectangular shape with alternative ends to the face of the corresponding sleepers. Building the raised bed. If you need to cut your sleepers to a different length, ensure you treat cut ends with end seal preservative. Sleepers are hard work to cut with a handsaw. Ask your local timber merchant if they can cross-cut to length for you. Warning, never use a chainsaw unless you are properly qualified. Using a drill, pilot holes may be required, or impact driver. Fix the first row of sleepers to each other through the face into the corresponding end of each sleeper using a 150mm exterior screw or coach bolt. 2 per corner is ideal. Attach the Easy Post 15 posts to the sleepers in each corner, on the inside of the square, using 150mm exterior screws or coach bolts through each post into each sleeper. Half fill the box with drainage materials such as gravel. To gain more height, you can add multiple rows of sleepers. 2 levels of sleepers equal a 400mm high bed. Overlap the sleeper joints and attach sleepers together and to the post using similar methods outlined previously. Add soil to around 100mm below the top of the sleepers. Plant your seedlings as required and water in. You can make your raised bed any size to suit your garden by combining different lengths and layers of sleepers. It's easy. For more information and downloadable how-to guides, take the Easy option and visit www.easy-timber.co.uk. It's easy when you know how.